Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to do another video about the Fitbit Versa. Today's video is about the controls and setting on the Fitbit Versa. So without further ado, let's get started on the video itself. We'll get started with the hard buttons on the Fitbit Versa. So we'll start first with the left hand side button. There is just one button right there. So this button has two functions. Number one, if you're in any app or on the menu or on the watch face, it helps to get you back or out of it. If you're on the watch face, it helps to lock the screen or turn off the display. If you long press this button, it takes you to this screen where you can adjust the screen wake up. I usually use this feature at night time. It's pretty handy. The screen does not turn on by itself if I move around or toss and turn, so I usually keep it manual at night time, and during daytime I turn it auto. The same thing with notification. You can turn it off at night time if you want, but I usually keep it on. If you swipe on the other side, here comes the music control. I usually get the controls for the music when I am playing from my watch to my Bluetooth headset. So that's pretty much it with this button. Now on the right hand side, if you see, there are two buttons, top and bottom. We'll start with the top one. The top one has again two functions. Soft pressing the top right button opens up the app which was assigned to that button. In this case I have the Easy Pick app. So again, to go back, I'll hit the left side button, and I'll show you how to assign the app for each of the button. If you long press this button, then it takes you to the notifications where you can see all your notification and clear it up. Now the bottom button, right bottom button, has one function. If you press it, it takes you to the assigned app, which in my case is music. So there you go guys, those are the hard buttons on the Fitbit Versa and their function. Now I'll show you the gestures on the Fitbit Versa. So there is no gesture for swiping right if you're on the main watch face. If you swipe it from top down, it takes you to the notification panel, okay, which can also be accessed by long pressing the top right button. Okay, if you swipe from bottom up, it takes you to the activity, daily activity, where you can see the steps, the kilometers walked, the floor, the calories and stuff, the active hours, heart rate, and the last workout, which was on September 8th, and the settings, where you can pretty much have tips and tricks on and inspirations on, or turn it off if you don't want it. Okay, we'll go back, and now the last but not least is swiping from right to left. So if you do that, you go in the menu. Now I'll show you how to assign the app. So once you go in the menu, the first two apps are by default assigned to these two buttons. So if I long press this button, it's gonna go on if I just press this button, it's gonna go on the Easy Pick. If I press this button, it's gonna go on the music. I'll show you how to actually change that. So if you click and hold the app, you can actually change the position of the app, which is one little secret which not a lot of people know on Fitbit Versa. So I changed the Easy Pick to setting, and that's how you can pretty much arrange the whole menu and play around and then adjust the apps in the way you want. So we'll go back. Now if I short press, it will take me to the setting because I changed the app. This is the last part of the video where I'm gonna talk about the settings on the Fitbit Versa. So the first one is brightness. I usually keep it in auto, so where it decides by itself. There is a small little ambient sensor right here which decides the amount of light and adjusts the screen brightness accordingly. But you can pretty much have dim, normal, max, and auto. I keep it on auto. Backlight delay, that's 10 seconds for now. You can keep it 15, 20 and 10. I usually keep it at 10 to save the battery life. Vibration normal and strong, but I would say the normal is pretty strong enough, and if you keep strong it's definitely gonna wake you up. So I usually use the alarm on my watch itself because it's pretty strong enough and it wakes me up. Heart rate pretty basic, on and off. Notifications, so here you can actually have two options right here. During exercise, receive call and notification, which is on in my case. During sleep, receive call and notification, which is on in my case. You can actually turn this off so it doesn't disturb you while you're exercising or while you're asleep. The next one is Bluetooth connection. This is actually important if you have or if you want to connect any wireless Bluetooth headset to the watch itself. It's been done from here. You can hit the audio device or add the audio device. It's gonna the Bluetooth of the watch will search for that device. Once you find it, you can pair it and it's good to go, and you can remove the device from here. So that's pretty much it about this. And the last one is about. So this one is the version of the watch, MAC address, IP address, Wi-Fi is off, available memory, so you can check the memory, how much space. Sorry about that. The camera stand got actually disturbed and I had to pause the video, but yeah, it actually shows the memory available on the watch itself. The next one is regulatory info. I'll come back to that. Factory setting, factory reset. So if you hit this and if you hit reset, boom, everything is gone on the watch. And shut down, you can actually turn off the watch from here or shut down the watch. We'll come back to the regulatory info. You click this and it takes you to the manufacturing details of this device or of this watch. So there you go guys. That's pretty much it about today's video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos about the Fitbit Versa, and make sure you leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you want to have for future videos. I'm also gonna link pretty cool deals on Amazon in the description down below, where you can get awesome deals on products like band, accessories for this watch, like screen protectors, case, and you can even get the tracker itself. So make sure you check the description down below. Signing out, that's pretty much it. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye now.